What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to set up and connect Redmi Watch 5 Active to iPhone. Now over here, as you can see, I am just turning on my Redmi Watch 5 Active for the first time, and the setup process is quite simple. All you just have to do is to first of all select your language from over here, and you'll be taken to this QR code scanner. Now on your iPhone, you want to go ahead and open up the camera app and then just place it on top of the Redmi Watch 5 Active, and you should be able to scan the QR code. Click on the link that shows up after scanning the QR code, and it will actually redirect you to the browser where you should be able to identify the app that your Redmi Watch 5 Active uses. Actually, it is the Mi Fitness app, and you can literally see that over here. Now what you just want to do is to press on the download button, and this will in turn redirect you to the Mi Fitness app on the iOS app store of your iPhone. Now what you want to do is to just go ahead and download and install the app. And once the app is downloaded and installed, what you want to do is to first of all make sure you turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. So make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then you want to just proceed to open up the app directly from here. First things first, you want to go ahead and click on the start button, and then from over here just make sure you agree to the terms and conditions at the bottom, then click on the agree button over here. Now proceed to select your region. In my case, I am in Nigeria, so I'll just go ahead and search for Nigeria from the top over here, then click on the next button. Now at this point, what you want to do is to just click on the devices tab at the bottom over here, and then click on allow. It will actually use Bluetooth to search for available devices, so click on the allow button, and now you just want to go ahead and click on add devices. And at this point, it is asking me to sign up or create a Xiaomi account, so I'll just go ahead and click on the OK button over here, and then proceed to create or log into my Xiaomi account. I do not have an account, so I'll go ahead and click on the create button over here. Now you just want to proceed to fill up all of this information, so I'll go ahead and fill in mine. And once you're done, click on the agree button at the bottom, then just click on the next button over here, and an account will be created for you. Now I am being asked to verify my email, so I'll just go ahead and verify it. And automatically an account will be created for me, and I should be able to sign in to the account. You're most likely also going to get this pop-up. Just go ahead and fill in all of your information over here. So select your gender, and then your height, your weight, your date of birth as well. And once you're done, just click on the done button at the bottom over here. Now it is also going to ask for all of this permission. Just go ahead and give it permission to access your location and to be able to send notifications to your Mi Fitness app, then to your Redmi Watch 5 Active. So click on the allow button and then click on go to settings. Now from over here, just find your location settings or location services, select it, and then make sure you turn on location services. Now you can go back to the Mi Fitness app, so go back to the app and then just click on the OK button over here. Now you can now proceed to connect your Redmi Watch 5 Active to your iPhone. So click on add devices, and now it is looking for available devices. You can literally see my Redmi Watch 5 Active over here. I'll select it just like so, then just click on the OK button. This is actually requiring you to make sure you select Bluetooth and connect both devices through Bluetooth as well. So click on the OK button over here, and then just go ahead and locate your Bluetooth settings. You can literally just come over to the top and search for Bluetooth, select it, and then once your Bluetooth is done searching for devices, you want to go ahead and select your Redmi Watch 5 Active as well. Allow it to connect to both devices. You can literally see the pair option, so click on pair, click on the check button over here, and automatically both devices are now connected. You can literally see the connected over here. Now what you want to do next is to just go back to the Mi Fitness app. So come over here, click on your Redmi Watch 5 Active again. It is trying to connect now. Make sure you also pair both devices as well, then click on allow. Both devices are now successfully connected together. At this point, what you want to do is to just give it all of the permission. So click on the allow while using this app, click on resume, click on continue. It is actually asking for permission to access your contacts. You can go ahead and select all of the contacts or just give it permission to some of your contacts. I currently do not have any contacts on this phone, so I'll just go ahead and skip this particular option by going back to the Mi Fitness app. And then at the bottom over here, click on resume. Click on resume. Also go ahead and give it permission to access your calendar as well. Click on resume as well. Click on next, and then done. Now finally, we have successfully connected the Redmi Watch 5 Active to our iPhone. Now moving over to some of the interesting features you can actually perform, or interesting functions you can do when your Redmi Watch 5 Active is connected to your iPhone. First things first, you can actually go ahead and change the wallpaper. So if you want to change the wallpaper or watch face of your Redmi Watch 5 Active to a custom wallpaper or your own photo, what you can actually do is to just go ahead and click on the all button at the top over here. And then once it loads up, what you want to do next is to go ahead and click on the all button at the top again, at the top over here. And you're going to see the custom option. You can literally see that over here. Select it, and then from over here, what you want to do, you can select any of these options. So custom 4, and now just click on the replace background photo, and it is going to ask you for permission to access your photos. Just go ahead and give it allow full access, then select any photo you want to use as wallpaper. I'll go ahead and select this one over here. You can as well just crop it whichever way you want, and once you're done, click on the OK button. You can also go ahead and choose where you want the text on your photo to be, and once that is done, proceed to click on the apply button over here. And once it is completed, you can now see that we have now been able to set a custom wallpaper or watch face for our Redmi Watch 5 Active, and it looks pretty well. Now, another interesting feature that you can be able to do is being able to receive your WhatsApp, Facebook, and other social media notifications. And to do this, you can just go over to the notifications and call feature over here, select that, and then from the top, you're going to see the app notifications, select that as well. Now, at this point, make sure that app notifications is turned on, and then over here, you want to make sure you select any of the apps you want to be able to receive messages and notifications from your iPhone to your Redmi Watch 5 Active. So if I want to receive WhatsApp messages from my iPhone to my Redmi Watch 5 Active, I will select WhatsApp over here, and once that is turned on, you should now be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications. You can go ahead and do this for Facebook and other social medias that are listed over here, and trust me, you should be able to receive all of your social media notifications from your iPhone to your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Another thing you can actually do, you want to make sure you turn off the notify only when on option, and then also make sure you turn on the wake screen, so that whenever you receive any message or notifications, the screen of your Redmi Watch 5 Active will be turned on automatically. In addition to that, if you want to be able to make and receive calls from your Redmi Watch 5 Active to your iPhone, you can actually just go over to the call feature. So press on this button to go over to the menu, then locate the call icon over here, select it, click on the pad, and then just enter any number you want to call, then click on the call icon over here, and automatically that particular call will also be made on your iPhone as well. With this same feature, you should also be able to receive your calls once they are sent to your phone using your Redmi Watch 5 Active. It works pretty well as well. Now, if you come over to the apps feature over here, you should be able to do certain things like record, set alarms, and even task reminder on your phone, and they will also be applied to your Redmi Watch 5 Active. So I can go ahead and set alarm directly from here. And then finally, there is also the feature that allows you to be able to find your Redmi Watch 5 Active whenever it is lost. So you can actually go over to the system settings over here, and you're going to see the find device option. Select that, and automatically your Redmi Watch 5 Active will start to make a noise, allowing you to be able to find the device wherever it is. So click on the find device over here, and it automatically starts making a noise, enabling you to be able to find it if you misplaced it or it has actually lost. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.